How to log in into your Luxury Escapes account on your iPhone. First, you want to navigate yourself to the application, open the application and click on allow to give permission that it's asking. Click on next and click on next again. Click on get started and here you'll see the login page. If you already have an account, you can simply type in your email address or phone number over here and click on continue to log in into your account. However, if you want to continue with your Google account, Apple account or Facebook account, you can do that over here too. And also if you want to continue with your guest account, you can do that by clicking on continue as guest. However, the video is about logging in with your luxury account. You want to simply type it out your option. You want to simply type it out your email over here and click on continue to log in with your account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, make sure to leave a comment down below.